Hey everyone, I'm back again with another video. In this video, I will teach you how to create your own Canva account. I'm thrilled to show you just how easy it is to unleash your creativity and design like a pro. Open your web browser and head to Canva's website, canva.com. Once you're on the home page, click on that big inviting sign up button at the top right corner. Now you have options to sign up. You can sign up with your Google account, Facebook account, continue with email, or continue another way. So for this tutorial, I'm gonna continue with email. You just need to enter your details. It's just like saying hello to a new friend. Once you're done entering your details, click Create Account. We're almost there. Now we will need to check our email for the code. We will just enter the code here. And there you have it. Welcome to your creative playground. Explore thousands of templates, photos, and elements to bring your ideas to life. With Canva, your imagination is the limit. Now that you have your account, you can create stunning social media graphics, eye-catching posters, beautiful presentations, and so much more. The possibilities are endless. Happy designing! Once again, thank you for watching how to create Canva account and see you on my next video.